Y'all remember when this happened? Whenever lightning struck St. Peter's Basilica on February 11th, 2013, when Pope Benedict announced his resignation, making him the first pontiff in 600 years to do so. Exactly 6 hours after the shocking announcement, no pun intended, right? Lightning struck St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican not once, but twice. Just a coincidence? Y'all remember that? So this is the Washington Monument getting struck in a lightning storm just the other day. That was a powerful impact. Jesus saw Satan fall from heaven like lightning, as described in Luke 10:18, Revelations 12:9. Lightning can also be a token of God's wrath, representing God's judgment on the world. Perhaps the Vatican lightning shot and the obelisk, Washington Monument obelisk, were warnings from God of events to come, of the times that we're in. Just a thought.